What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be setting up my trading station. I've got a little bit of an upgrade. Hopefully you can see it behind me there. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, and today I'm going to walk you guys through my trading setup. There will also be information on these products. If you are interested in them yourself, you can check out the link down below. But let's go ahead and get into setting up the new trading station. Okay, so here is my old setup. There's nothing wrong with it. I just have kind of some needs for like higher quality video developing and just lag-free, trading and that sort of stuff. So if you know anything about computers, you probably know more than me. But this one looked pretty good off of Amazon, and so I'm going to be replacing what we've got here with the new stuff. And today I've got my brother here. He's going to be helping me out, and he also is in for it because he gets to have my old computer. So it's a little win-win for both of us. So the first thing we need to do is let's go ahead and get rid of the old stuff, or at least move it to the side so we can make room for the new. We're all cleared up, and Luke's got his knife ready. So let's go ahead and see. The first piece of the puzzle here is the computer itself. If you want to just go ahead and start cutting, we can get this thing undone. This is a Cyber Power PC. It's a gaming computer, which is really good for anything with videos and trading. This is awesome for trading because it's just got such good video graphics cards compared to what I was running. So, and it's actually relatively affordable. So we'll see. Here it goes. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful. The keyboard for it. Cyber Power PC. Yeah, it looks awesome so far. Okay, here's the computer. You can get it out of that styrofoam.
Can you take it out of there?
Careful with it. You got it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Look at that. It looks really cool. It looks like alien craft stuff. Awesome. All right, so it looks really cool. I'm sure when we turn it on too, it'll be lighting up and stuff too. That's fine. Nice. Mouse. Awesome.
Show the mouse box.
Get it.
Well, there's.
Alright, so let's see how this mouse is looking, guys. Let's see if we...
This is a small keyboard.
Nice, look at that. Buttons on the side and stuff. Cool. And what is this? This is a bag for the mouse, it looks like?
That's the charger.
Oh, is that the,
That's the cord there.
power cord?
Yeah.
Cool, so we got the power cord now. There we go.
Oh, that looks awesome.
Look at that. That is super cool. Look at the fan working too.
Yeah. Watching that is the coolest part.
That looks awesome. Yeah, you can see the fan is working in the background. Alright, next up is the 21.5-inch monitors. I've got two of them here. So let's go ahead and cut this piece apart. Oh. There's the piece. And put that to the side for a second. Well, there's one side of it.
There's that. I mean, that's.
Alright, there's the monitor. Cool. So it's not the biggest monitor in the world, but it will work for my purposes. I like to keep my desk as tight as possible, so this will be a good size for my desk, and I've got, again, two of these, so one on each side.
Okay.
Okay, both monitors are...
So you can connect 3 computers to this.
So we got all the way finished with unpacking everything here with the computers. You can see they're behind me. There's like flashing lights on the computer. It looks really cool. And so far, I'm really happy with this computer. I did get it plugged up. Unfortunately, I missed one of the cables, so I don't have the secondary monitor set up yet, but I already ordered it on Amazon, so it should be here within a few days, and we'll have the secondary monitor up and running. But what I found already is that this computer is really fast, and if you're looking to trade and you need that, the proper setup, I find that it can be really, really valuable to have a secondary monitor so that you can pull things up, a fast computer so that there's no kind of lag in your trading or looking through the markets. It's really just nice to have a fast computer for your trading. It's not necessarily required. You don't need the top edge, technology. This is a great computer. By no means is it like the top of the line gaming computer, but I do want to say that if you're looking into the computer space or upgrading your setup for trading, definitely look into a gaming computer, just because I'm not a huge gamer myself, but because the fact that gaming computers usually have a lot of power to them, they have a lot of speed, and they're overall just really good processing computers. I don't know a ton about computers, as you can probably tell, but for the most part, this one had a lot of great reviews, and a lot of people who actually trade were recommending this particular model. I took advantage of some of the Cyber Monday sales that were going on, so that was awesome. So I got this computer, I think around $1,000 total for the 2 monitors and the computer, which to me is not bad. Got it shipped and set it up here on the camera. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was entertaining to you and that maybe you get some ideas about your own trading setup. I think it's really important that each trader has their own setup that they're comfortable with. If you need a secondary monitor, that's great. I've worked without one for a while. Actually, I guess you could consider I've got a laptop and a computer, so I trade with 2 screens, but now I've got kind of the dual monitor setup, the proper setup for having 2 screens at once. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks guys very much for watching. We'll catch you next time.